So hey guys, I am Rishit Sharma from St. Xavier School and also a part of career classes. Now I am going to show an experiment of atmospheric pressure. In this experiment, you will see that when I will turn the glass upside down, the water will not fall. As in the tumbler or glass there is atmospheric pressure, and when and the empty space in the glass is filled with air, and the air will generate pressure and the water will not fall. Now I will show you the experiment. So first you take a glass and fill the water and put the card upside. Now turn gently. As you can see that the water is not falling because of the atmospheric pressure, and the empty space is filled with air which generates pressure and the water will not fall. Thank you.